Hello, my dear students of 10th class. Exams are approaching, revision is on. So, keeping these 2 points in the mind, today we are going to discuss some selected questions on carbon and its compound. Okay, so I welcome you all for today's session on discussion on some selected questions on carbon chemistry. How many single bonds are present in methane? Methane, formula CH4, C at the center, around the C, 4 H are there with a single bond. That means how many single bonds are there? So there are 4 single bonds, one CH, second CH, third CH, and the fourth CH. Totally we have 4 single bonds. So A is the correct option. Subsequent members of homologous series differ by how many atomic mass units? Okay. So in the homologous series, we have learned that subsequent members of homologous series differ by CH2 group. Okay, CH2 group. So if you want to calculate the atomic mass of that difference, that CH2 group, that is the answer. So C is what? C is 12 atomic mass. And H2 2. So 12 plus 2 14. So 14 is the right answer. A is the option. How many carbon atoms are present in one molecule of ethanoic acid? What is ethanoic acid? It is a CH3COOH. Okay, that is ethanoic acid. How many carbon atoms are present in one molecule? It is only one molecule. CH3COOH. CH3, one C is there. CO, one more C is there. Totally, we have 2 carbon atoms in the one molecule of ethanoic acid. So, answer is 2, B option. How many carbon atoms are present in one molecule of ethanol? Ethanol is C2H5OH. C2H5OH. So how many carbon atoms here? C2. There are 2. So answer is 2, option B. Now please complete these reactions. This is ester, CH3CO, C2H5 plus NaOH. That time Na will go here, C2H5 will come out. That means CH3COO Na. Then C2H5OH ethanol forms here. Okay, right. Now this is acetic acid plus NaOH. Here also H is given, Na goes. So sodium so sodium acetate, and this H comes out with OH becomes the water. Now this is alcohol and the acid formed compound is what? Ester, right? Now why it is called as ethene? It should be ethyne actually. Okay, ethyne. Please make it ethyne because triple bond is there. Here triple bond is there. 3 carbon atoms are straight enough. It is a propyne. Now this is a butane. 4 carbon but. Triple bond ine, butane. But why it is called one butane? Because triple bond starts from carbon atom number 1. Therefore it is 1 butane. This is also butane. 4 carbon with the triple bond butane. But carbon bond started on the carbon atom number 2. Therefore this is a 2 butane. 1 butane, 2 butane. This 1 and 2 tell the position of the triple bond. This one, longest chain contains 5 carbon atoms. So pentane family, pent. Triple bond is there, pentyne. But here it has got a substituent side chain. And where it is there? It is there on the 4th carbon atom of the main chain. So first we will name the side chain. On the 4th carbon atom of the main chain, methyl group is there. So it is a 4-methyl. 4-methyl. Family name is what? Family name is pentyne. Because the triple bond is there on the second, so therefore it is called 4-methyl-2-pentyne. Very good. Now, what are addition reactions? Addition reactions are what? Simply they add on the triple bond or the double bond. Okay. So because triple bond, double bonds are called what? Electron rich center, very reactive. So if you add, they accept the whatever reagent you are adding. So addition products are formed here. Here. CH3, 1, 2, 3. This is propyne. Triple bond is here. When you add Br2, one Br on one carbon, one Br on the other carbon, where triple bond is there. So this bromine adds equally on the carbon-carbon triple bond. One Br here, one Br here. So it is HCBr, CH3CBr, okay, dibromoethene. Now, dibromoethene is there, but still it is unsaturated. Still double bond is there. So it will accept one more bromine molecule. And these two bromine atoms will add where? Carbon-carbon double bond equally, one bromine here, one bromine here. Okay. So these HBr already there, one extra Br. And CH3Br already there, one extra Br. Okay. So this is 1, 2, 3. 3 in the longest chain, and 4 bromine atoms are there here. So it is a tetrabromopropane. Tetrabromopropane, exactly. Now, this is what? This is the what? Electronic dot structure for ethine. Okay. Common name is acetylene. So carbon have 4 electrons out of 4. Where there are 4? One is here. Okay. And remaining 3 are here. Cross mass indicates what? Electrons of this carbon. Whereas round mark indicates the electrons of this carbon. So 1, 2, 3 round. One round is here. And red uh, dot indicates what? It is the electron of hydrogen. Okay. So carbon has gone bonding with hydrogen, because hydrogen can give only one electron. So carbon gives one electron out of 4. So bond is formed, 3 are here, cross mark. The same way, this hydrogen can give only one electron, because it's having only one electron. So to satisfy that, the carbon has to give only one electron. Remaining 3 surplus are here only. So all have attained the stability. This carbon, you see, this carbon after the bonding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here, and 2 here, 6 plus 2, 8 octet is attained. The same way, this carbon also attained the octet. Both hydrogen attained the doublet, because hydrogen cannot go for the octet, because hydrogen itself is the first member. Only one electron is here. It cannot go for octet. Only it can go for a duplet. Okay, whether it is duplet or octet, it is a reason for what? Stability. So all 4, 2 hydrogen and 2 carbon have attained the stability for going for the what? Electronic dot structure. Okay, so I think you understood clearly. Now still remaining parts are there. If some questions are left out, please work out in the free time and be ready for the discussion in the next session. Okay, till then, have a nice time and thank you.